As I mentioned earlier, today is a celebration of life. It is a celebration of love. And now two families are united in celebration of this wedding. And wedding is always a blessing. And now there's a baby on the way to be part of a bigger family. A big hand, everybody. Alright. And I'm so happy to see Ma'am Salve and the parents of the bride that all of you are becoming Lolo and Lola. That's the word. That's the word. And it's also a blessing in life, right? Okay, on behalf of Muiko and Gadian family, my name again is Jeff Adels for today. Thank you for coming and congratulations to our newlywed. A big hand again. And I'm not over yet. I wish to see the longest kiss of the day. So how many seconds do you want? 10 seconds? Conservative. 8 seconds? Alright. As requested by our mom, my tita. Okay. One last kiss for the day. Not longer kiss anymore. Alright. One last kiss. Alright. One last kiss, and mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Congratulations, Ruben and Ruthie. And for those who wish to have a photo shoot with the couple, come on, you can come here and... Oh, by the way, we have some giveaways here. You'd like to get some?